guys? It's John Spear Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to be going over how to do a back-to-back 90. This is going to be the situation where there's no other way. You got to do a back-to-back 90, or you can do it a back-to-back 90 going down. So there's two different versions of the back-to-back 90. One is the standard U shape, and then one's more of an S shape. Okay? So that's just what a back-to-back 90 is. So how do you get your back? So first of all, we're going to go over how to do the different steps verbally, and then we're going to show you in practice how it works with an actual bender and all that good stuff. Alright? So let's say, for instance, this space right here is 15 inches, okay? So you're gonna bend your first 90, not a problem, right? Not a big deal, not a problem. First 90's bent, use all the, the little deals that comes on the bender, so most ideal benders will tell you it stubs up at 5 inches, so got a 5-inch stub on it. So in that particular case, so we'll have our normal 90, and then the measurement, you're going to measure your points. So whatever the measurement is of what you're trying to accomplish, in this particular case, point to point is 15 inches. So the back of this 90 to the back of that 90 is going to be 15 inches, okay? Then we're going to level it off. So once we got our first bend, we're going to double check that we got, that we're good to go on the second bend. And so we'll level it, and then we're going to flip this thing on the ground and bend it with the star. So the star is located on your bender. Let's see, right there. Okay? Alright. So let's just start getting into it, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm gonna flip this camera down so you guys can see. Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so here's the plan. Got our pipe, a bender, level, and a tape measure. That's the objects you're going to need to complete a back-to-back 90. So if you remember, we're going to do a 15-inch apart little deal, okay? So first little deal is we'll do a stub 90 just to kind of get the ball rolling, and then I'll show you guys from there. Alright, so just gonna kind of put it wherever while we do this. So you want to keep constant pressure all the way down. Okay, and grab your level, double check it. This guy needs a little bit more loving. Oh. Alright, so there's that guy. Alright, so this is the important part. So what I like to do is grab my bender, put it down on a level surface, put my pipe up against it so it has a flat surface, and I know exactly where the back of the 90's at, so I don't have to guess. Grab my tape measure. We were going to do 15 inches, okay, from back to back. So let's do 15 inches exactly. We'll put a mark. Mostly professionals use pencil, okay? That's because you could erase it. Pretty sweet little deal. So we'll do 15 inches exactly. you're going to want to put the 90 that you just bent backwards, okay? So facing towards your body, okay? I usually like to level it up, like envision, if you can kind of see this, where this is right on point with that. So, that looks pretty good. We have our mark right on the star. I'll try to bring it closer for you guys. So the mark, nope, reverse it. So the mark is right on the star. And then we're gonna start our bend. So we're gonna flip this bad boy around. Okay. And then we just bend our little 90. Once again, you'll grab your level once you get pretty close. This little deal. Grab our level. Alright, that looks pretty level. You can see. Pull it back up. And there you have it. The back to back 90. Alright. So, a good way to double check is grab it, hold it with your foot or whatever, check it out. 15 inches, pretty solid. Looks like it could go in just a hair. There we go. 15 inches. You can tell, nice and straight. Sometimes you get a dog leg. A good way to adjust that is the bottom of your little deal is flared out. So you can kind of stick it in there and twist it one way or another. This is 1/2 inch pipe, so I mean, technically you could use your own strength to bend it, but that is the back-to-back 90. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is John Spear. I'm with Warhammer Electric. Please like, subscribe, share this information. We're on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, on everything. So check us out. YouTube is more for educational purposes. Instagram is for, the cool Instagram photos. Facebook is kind of an extension. LinkedIn is our professional side. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate everything. Thank you for the support.